Breakfast Bonanza. Master the art of writing a breakfast invitation in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of breakfast routines and, specifically, how to write a breakfast invitation or event plan in English. After watching this video, you'll not only improve your conversational English skills but also be able to organize a morning gathering that your friends or family won't forget. First things first, an invitation, regardless of the event, should include some essential elements. It's just like preparing a meal. You need the right ingredients to make it a success. Who? This refers to who you are inviting. What? This explains what the event is, in this case, a breakfast. Where? This includes the location of the breakfast. When? This details the date and time of the breakfast. Why? This isn't always necessary, but it's nice to provide a reason for the event if there is one. Now that we know what our invitation needs, let's craft a warm, friendly breakfast invitation. Dear Who, I hope this message finds you well. I'm planning a delightful start to the day with a what breakfast at my place. It will be at where, and I hope you can join us on when. It will be a wonderful opportunity to why. Looking forward to seeing you. Your name. Remember, an invitation should be warm and welcoming, much like a well-prepared breakfast. A good event plan is like a recipe. It gives you all the steps you need to follow to create a successful event. Let's take a look at how you might write an event plan for your breakfast gathering. 1. Prepare the guest list. Decide on who you want to invite and ensure the venue can accommodate them. 2. Set the menu. Decide on what you will serve. Consider dietary restrictions and preferences. 3. Plan the schedule. Define the starting time and the rough schedule for the event, for instance, when to serve food and drinks. 4. Decide on the venue. Choose a suitable place for the event. It could be your home, a friend's house, or a favorite local cafe. 5. Send out invitations. Using the invitation format we learned, send out your invitations well in advance. 6. Confirm RSVPs. A few days before the event, confirm who will be attending. 7. Do the shopping. Buy all the ingredients and supplies you'll need for your breakfast. 8. Prepare in advance. The night before, do as much preparation as possible to save time on the day of the event. 9. Enjoy your breakfast. On the day, finish your preparations, welcome your guests, and enjoy. Well, there you have it. You're now ready to write an inviting breakfast invitation and plan a delicious breakfast event in English. Remember, like learning a language, planning an event takes practice. So, don't be afraid to host multiple breakfasts. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more English learning videos. Until next time, happy learning and happy breakfast planning.